Introducing the Contact Me website template, the perfect way to connect with your audience. In a digital world, staying connected is paramount. Whether you're a business, creative, or influencer, this template ensures you're just a click away. Crafted for simplicity, it's more than just a website. It's your communication hub. Engage with your visitors effortlessly through a design that's modern and user-friendly. Personalize it to match your brand with ease. Add your content, tweak the colors, and it's ready to go. No coding skills needed. From user-friendly contact forms to integrated maps, every feature is designed to make connecting with you a breeze. And it's not just about looking good. It's about being functional. Your website will look and work flawlessly on any device. Ready to foster connections online? Download our free Contact Me website template today at www.snipbyte.com and open the door to endless possibilities. Stay just a click away from your audience. Get started now! This video is sponsored by SnipByte.com at Maxis Dev.